Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Padlocked mouth frog. Full story. One night in Hope Bay, Portland, Jamaica, in the year 2016, there was a family living in an unfinished house up on a hillside that was surrounded by bushes. A little boy was playing outside with his granny on the veranda. She only saw when he kicked the ball, and when he went to go pick it up, he ran straight in the house and hid behind the couch. She called him, but he didn't answer, so she went to find him to carry him back outside with her. He didn't want to go back outside. He eventually gave in, but he hid underneath the stool she was sitting on. She took him up, and he sat on her lap. He kept on hiding his face in her shirt, so she took him into his mother and went outside to look at what he was so afraid of. She saw a huge frog walking on 2 feet with a padlock on his mouth. He was walking straight towards her. The frog stopped, turned around, and was staring at the full moon for about some time. She knew something was wrong. She said she felt her head started to raise, so she ran into the house and grabbed the salt and dashed some on the frog. It sighted the salt like dandy shandy. She dashed the salt again, and it did the same thing, but this time it stopped and looked at her, as if it was saying that it definitely wouldn't move on the third try. She finally hit the frog with the salt. It ran, jumped into the air, turned into a fog, and disappeared. Like and follow for more.